I'm super excited. I just had a great conversation with this gentleman, practice session. We were able to notice how we weren't celebrating all the great things that are transforming in our lives over the last couple of years. I've had to go through some relationship work with a past partner, and Somatica gave me the skills and compassion to know what I wanted and what I needed, and now I can celebrate to have the type of relationship I really want, and then to anchor those feelings of love and goodness in that's not a habit. And it's because of not only the skills and the things we learn through the modules, but having good connection with people and knowing their support in the group and friends for life.
Like, I've been doing these kind of stuff for like over 20 years, and I've done so many different trainings and workshops and all sorts of different things, but Somatica is like up there, like probably the best thing I've ever done. The most powerful, the most transformative. It's just, it's clean, it is clear, it is really on theme, and they really transformative. It's powerful, effective stuff.
So for me, what it's been about, it's about the men, but what I've been able to do is show up as a man, but not the stereotype. I've been able to talk about my messy sides. I've been able to talk about I need words of affection, both on my body, but specific ones. So not just you're hot, but I really like such and such about you. Like someone really liked my forearms and it really felt arousing. I was able to ask and actually let her know how to talk to me romantically and share her emotional energy, and we're actually able to engage, even though it was like with a first person we had a connection, like it was someone, you know, that we went to high school with maybe 20 years ago, but the connection was there. So I can be myself like nowhere else in the world and get the things that I want, and I'm not effeminate, I'm not too toxic masculine, I'm a guy who has passion, desire, and all of that is attractive and wanted.
What I've got out of this module is, I think it's just good timing, but I spent all my life wanting to feel my beauty, and I feel like this module, I really, for the first time in my life, right to the depth of my soul, felt my own beauty, and it's just such a deeply,
you're so sexy,
healing experience.
And part of this kind of thing, his transformation helps mine. Some of the other men, just being able to connect with them and ask for some of their energy when I was in a tough moment. It's so fulfilling. Having great examples. Men in the standard world, as I grew up, weren't, but I can ask, I can stand next to a great man and let him know he's attractive, but ask for some of that energy, and they're happy to give it. It's so amazing.